Was there a conspiracy involving father and son in the establishment of the Ayee boundary as the Cockpit country protected area boundary? Let us have a look, shall we?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
It is well documented that Dr. Parris Lyew-Ayee Jr.'s 2005 boundary, more popularly called the Ayee boundary, was declared on November 21, 2017 by Prime Minister Andrew Holness as the boundary for the Cockpit country protected area. But was there a conflict of interest? Knowing that Dr. Lyew-Ayee's father headed the Jamaica Bauxite Institute for many years and is also a board member of Noranda Bauxite Jamaica Mining Partners. Now, what objective measures and parameters were used to determine the borders as established by Lyew-Ayee Jr., considering that when the boundary was declared back in 2017, Parris Lyew Ayee Sr. was still the executive director of the Jamaica Bauxite Institute. He was also a member of the board of directors of the Jamaica Bauxite Institute, Noranda Bauxite Mining Partners, and was still a board member of the Mona GeoInformatics Institute, which was headed by his son, who was and still is the director. Mr. Lyew-Ayee Sr.'s contribution to Jamaica's bauxite industry is no secret. He has been acknowledged by the government of Jamaica, which conferred on him the Order of Distinction in the rank of Officer Class, OD, in 1988, and the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander Class, CD, in 2007. I am not sure how involved Lyew-Ayee Sr. is at the moment with the Jamaica Bauxite Institute or Noranda Jamaica Bauxite Mining Partners these days, but this is a question that must be asked. Was the decision to accept the Ayee boundary outlined by Dr. Parris Lyew-Ayee Jr. as the Cockpit country protected area boundary in any way influenced by the fact that his father was not only executive director of the Jamaica Bauxite Institute, but also a member of the board of directors for Noranda Jamaica Bauxite Mining Partners?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.